Congratulations!
Yay!
Yay! Woohoo!
Yay! Yay!
Congratulations! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
You are the proud owner of
A handmade,
personal, custom,
small,
tabletop made just for you.
tiny,
Use it indoors or outdoors.
or without doors.
Tabletop fire pit!
Yay!
Woo, woo, woo! Name is patent pending.
We are here to teach you about everything you need to know about your
Handmade,
personal,
custom, small,
tabletop.
made just for you. Tiny
Use it indoors.
or outdoors or without doors.
Tabletop fire pit!
Yay! Name is patent pending. But first, what can you do with a tabletop fire pit?
You can cook s'mores with it.
You can cook hot dogs with it. You can cook your brother with it.
You can use it for ambiance.
You can use it when the power goes out. You can use it to make the power go out. You can use it to make s'mores.
We already said that.
Did we say we can make s'mores with it?
Stop with the s'mores! And you can do all these things without the hassle of creating a full fire or worrying about the weather or the rain or the wind. Wherever you want fire, you can have fire. All right, now that you know what it is, let's go over the rules. Rule number 1 is safety. Actually, it's not safety. If rule number 1 was safety, we wouldn't even have fire. We would just go home and do nothing. So rule number 1 isn't safety. Rule number 2 is safety. Rule number 1 is fire!
Fire! Fire! Fire!
So, how do we make the fire? Well, this is an alcohol-based fire pit. That means it uses alcohol. We recommend 90% or higher pure alcohol. That way, there'll be no soot that builds up on your ceiling. So you can use it indoors.
Magic!
You pour it into the fire pit like this. You'll probably spill. Don't worry, it's alcohol, so it dries really fast. You can just wait until it dries. Or don't, because safety is rule number 2. Rule number 1 is fire!
Fire!
And then you light it.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Filling it up about 1/3 will get you about 10 to 20 minutes of fire. So fill responsibly. Or don't and fill it to the top. When done, you can just blow it out. Then it's up to you to figure out what to do with the excess alcohol. That's not our problem, that's your problem. Yay!
And that's how you use
A handmade,
personal, custom,
small,
tabletop made just for you.
tiny,
Use it indoors or outdoors.
or without doors.
Tabletop fire pit! Yay! Woo, woo, woo! Name is patent pending.
Rule number 2 is safety. This is fire. Fire is dangerous. You can burn your house down. So rule number 1 of rule number 2 is don't burn your house down.
The fire pit will get very hot. You won't want to touch it after a few minutes. Like seriously, you will not be able to pick it up. Just put it down where you want it to stay.
The bottom will also get pretty hot. Not as hot as the sides, but pretty warm. So our lawyers recommend that you put it on top of a surface that can stand a little heat. We are not liable for any damage due to you not listening to this recommendation. Lawyers.
But Dad, how safe is the fireplace?
That's a good question, Dexter. These are handmade, and handmade is always higher quality than ones built by sophisticated robots, built to do one thing really specifically, really well. Not only that, it was handmade with professionals. Professionals working somewhere else from where this was made.
This was made in a garage. Our garage. By our dad. You can trust him. He has all 10 fingers, and they can all bend.
Ryan, you son of... But that means it was built in the good old US of A, and anything built in America is of higher quality than anything built anywhere else.
It doesn't matter that Dad hasn't worked with cement before. It doesn't matter that Dad doesn't know what he's doing.
What matters is it was built with love. So it comes with a few inherent risks when you accept a handmade gift. But what is life without feeling a little more alive? With a fire in front of you, cooking your brothers, and wondering if you'll make it to tomorrow. And really, that's it. That's everything you need to know about your
handmade, personal, Professional. Custom. Small. Tabletop. Made just for you. Tiny. Use it indoors. Or outdoors. Or with outdoors. Tabletop fireplace. Name's patent pending. Yeah, congratulations!
We hope you enjoy our gift to you. Congratulations! Bye!